I studied in Manavika's English medium high school, being an ICSE school, it imbibed in me the concept of nationhood rather than the concept of statehood. So I saw myself first as an Indian rather than as a Goan. And it imbibed in me the very idea that the only way I'd be happy in life is to do something to serve the country in some way or another. So I thought to myself, if I could lead cadets, like I could lead NCC cadets to victory in a camp such as this, and maybe someday I could lead troops into combat as well. So to apply for the army, I first cleared the UPSC exam. The UPSC conducts this Combined Defence Services exam for the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. So after clearing the exam, I attended a 5-day service selection board interview in Bangalore, which after clearing, my training began on the 31st of March 2017. The training was at the Officers Training Academy in Chennai. Now there are 3 to 4 military academies in the country, and one of those is Officers Training Academy Chennai, which trains officers for short service commission, which is minimum 10 years of service, which can be extended to 14 years and which can later after 14 years be extended to a permanent commission if the officer chooses to extend it himself to a permanent commission. So my training was from 31st of March 2017 to the 10th of March 2018, approximately 49 weeks or 11 months. Okay, so on the 10th of March, after I walked down the Antim Pag, I was officially given the President's Commission and commissioned as a lieutenant, that is a 2-star officer in the Indian Army. The lieutenant is the starting officer rank in the Indian Army. I have been commissioned in the Corps of Artillery, so my first posting is going to be somewhere in the northeast. Well, as I said, there are many means by which you can serve the country. You can be a teacher, you can be a doctor, you can start an NGO, or there is another means as well, which is a noble cause, such as the noble cause of arms. You can don the uniform and serve in the Indian Army. And it's a profession, it's a noble profession. It's one which brings a lot of respect to yourself, to your family, and which if you join, you will have absolutely no regrets in life. Training is tough, the conditions of service are tough, but the dividends from serving such a profession are equally good. So if the Goans out there should think of such a profession, because it was difficult for me during training, being the only Goan in the entire academy. There were 500 plus cadets.